Slow English Speaking Practice Lesson 1. Daily English Conversation for Beginners. Hello. Welcome to RM Academy, School of English. Today, we're going to practice English speaking. This lesson is for beginners. If you are learning English, don't worry about mistakes. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and repeat after me. Let's begin. Part 1. Basic Introduction. My name is Rahim. My name is Rahim. I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Dhaka. I live in Dhaka. I am a student. I am a student. I am learning English. I am learning English. I want to speak English. I want to speak English. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I like learning new words. I like learning new words. I like speaking English. I like speaking English. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. I can speak a little English. I can speak a little English. But I want to speak better English. But I want to speak better English. I am learning step by step. I am learning step by step. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. I will improve every day. I will improve every day. Very good. Let's move to the next part. Part 2. Morning Conversation. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I am fine. How are you? I am fine too. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. What time did you wake up? I woke up at 7 o'clock. What do you do in the morning? I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face. After that, I take a shower. Then I have breakfast. What do you usually have for breakfast? I usually have bread and eggs. Sometimes I have rice. Sometimes I have fruit. Do you drink tea? Yes, I drink tea. Do you drink coffee? No, I don't drink coffee. What do you do after breakfast? I get ready for work. Or, I get ready for school. What time do you leave home? I leave home at 8 o'clock. How do you go to work? I go by bus. Sometimes I walk. Very good. Now, repeat these sentences. I wake up early. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I get ready for work. I get ready for work. I leave home at 8 o'clock. I leave home at 8 o'clock. Excellent. Part 3. Talking about your daily routine. Now, let's talk about your daily routine. What do you do every day? I wake up early. I take a shower. I have breakfast. I go to work. I come home in the evening. I have dinner. I watch television. I use my phone. I study English. Then I go to bed. Let's practice again. I wake up at 7. I have breakfast at 8. I go to work at 9. I have lunch at 1. I come home at 6. I have dinner at 8. I study English at 9. I go to bed at 11. Now, let's make the sentences longer. I wake up at 7 every morning. I have breakfast with my family. I go to work by bus. I have lunch with my friends. I come home in the evening. I spend time with my family. I study English at night. I practice speaking English before I go to bed. This is my daily routine. Part 4. At home. Let's imagine that you are at home. Your mother asks you a question. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. What do you want to eat? I want to eat rice. Do you want some water? Yes, please. Here is your water. Thank you. You're welcome. Are you tired? Yes, I am a little tired. Do you want to rest? Yes, I want to rest. Where is my phone? Your phone is on the table. Where are my keys? Your keys are near the door. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Please open the door. Okay. Please close the window. Sure. Please turn on the light. Okay. Please turn off the fan. Sure. Very good. Now repeat. Can you help me? Can you help me? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? Where are my keys? Where are my keys? Please open the door. Please open the door. Please close the window. Please close the window. Thank you. You're welcome. Part 5. Going to the market. Now, let's practice a market conversation. Excuse me. Yes? How much is this? It is 100 taka. Can you give me a discount? Sorry, the price is fixed.
Okay.
I will take it. Do you have a smaller size? Yes, we do. Can I see it?
Sure. Here you are. Thank you.
Do you have another color?
Yes.
We have black, blue, and white. I like the blue one. How much is it? It is 500 taka. Okay. I will buy it. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can.
Here is your card. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too. Part 6. At a restaurant. Now, let's practice a restaurant conversation. Good evening. Good evening. Can I have a menu, please?
Sure.
Here is the menu.
Thank you.
What would you like to order? I would like some rice and chicken. Would you like anything to drink?
Yes.
I would like a glass of water. Anything else? No, thank you. How much is it? It is 500 taka. Okay. Can I have the bill, please? Sure. Here is your bill.
Thank you.
The food was very good. I'm glad you liked it.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. You too. Part 7. Talking on the phone.
Hello.
Hello. May I speak to Rahim, please?
Yes.
This is Rahim speaking. Hi, Rahim. How are you? I am good.
How are you?
I am fine. Where are you now? I am at home. Are you busy? No, I am free. Can I talk to you for a few minutes? Of course. What are you doing? I am studying English. That's great. When can we meet? We can meet tomorrow. What time? How about 5 o'clock? 5 o'clock is fine. Okay. See you tomorrow.
See you. Take care.
You too.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Part 8. Asking simple questions. Now let's practice some important questions. What is your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? What do you do? What do you like? What do you want? What do you need? Where are you going? When are you coming? What time is it? How are you? How old are you? Why are you late? Who is he? Who is she? What are you doing? What did you do yesterday? What will you do tomorrow? Let's practice the answers. What is your name? My name is Rahim. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. Where do you live? I live in Dhaka. What do you do? I am a student. What do you like?
Keep speaking.
Keep practicing. Keep learning. And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye.